Student, welcome to our history class. From last video we completed fifth lesson. Now let us start our lesson number 6. The name of our lesson number 6 is Janpads and Mahajanpads. What is meant by Janpads and Mahajanpads? Student, here the what is meant by Janpads? The small states that came into existence in North India in the post-Vedic period were known as Janpads. What is meant by Janpads? Small states that came into existence in North India in the post-Vedic period were known as Janpads. And what is meant by Mahajanpads? Those strong Janpads which became expansionist and enlarged their geographical area were known as Mahajanpads. What is meant by Mahajanpad? Those strong Janpads which became expansionist and enlarged their geographical area were known as Mahajanpads. Here student, the 16 Mahajanpads, 6th century BC, here figure 6.1, here Janpads. In this lesson contains 3 points: Janpads, Mahajanpads and rise of the Magadha Empire. Here student, try this. Write the names of 16 Mahajanpads in the proper place on the outline map of India. Here student, 6.1 is the Janpads outline map. Here the 16 Mahajanpads in the proper place outline map of the India. Write in the map. Then our first point is 6.1 Janpad. The period from about 1000 BC to 600 BC is considered to be the post-Vedic period. Which period is post-Vedic period? 1000 BC to 600 BC considered the post-Vedic period. It is in this period that the Janpads came into existence. Janpads were the many small states that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to the northwest of Indian subcontinent, to Bengal and Odisha in the east and to Maharashtra in the south. Janpads were many small states that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to the northwest of the Indian subcontinent, to Bengal and Odisha in the east, to Maharashtra in the south. The Janpads called Ashmak, known as Janpad is also known as Ashmak, occupied part today's Maharashtra. The Janpads occupied today's part of Maharashtra. The names of the Janpads can be found in Sanskrit, Pali, Ardhamagdi literature. One can also find information about them in the writing of the Greek historians. Some of the Janpads were monarchies, king method, while others were republics. Some Janpads had Jan Parishad of senior citizens. Some Janpads had Jan Parishad of senior citizen. Members of the Jan Parishad came together for discussion and made decisions regarding administrative issue. Here student, the names of these Janpads can be found in Sanskrit language, Pali language and Ardhamagdi literature. One can also find information about them in writing of Greek historians. Some of the Janpads were monarchies, means king systems, and while others were republics. Some Janpads had Jan Parishad of senior citizens. Some Janpads have some Jan Parishad senior citizens, old age people. Members of Jan Parishad means old age people, senior citizen, came together for discussion. Their experience is most useful. So here student, members of Jan Parishad came together for discussions and made decisions regarding administrative issues. The place where this discussion took place was known as the Santhagar. Gautam Buddha hailed from the Shakya Republic. Gautam Buddha hailed from Shakya Republic. Every Janpad has its own coinage. There are two sides. Coinage means two sides. Like a coin, every Janpad has its own coinage. Gautam Buddha hailed from Shakya Republic. Also called means calling to from Shakya Republic. Every Janpad has its own coinage, means its two sides. Here 6.2 Mahajanpads. Here is a chart of Mahajanpads. Which are the Mahajanpads? Kosla, Vatsa, Avanti, Magadha. The Kosla Mahajanpad was located in the foothill of the Himalaya in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. Where is the Kosla situated? Foothill of the Himalaya in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. Then Vatsa, the Mahajanpad Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag. That is the Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Where is Vatsa situated? Prayag, that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Then Avanti, the ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Avanti is situated in the Madhya Pradesh, Malwa region. Then Magda, ancient Majanpad of Magda was spread throughout the region, Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some region in Bengal. The famous cities of Kosla were Shravasti, Kushavati and Saket. Shravasti was the capital of Kosla. Shravasti was the capital of Kosla is the Shravasti. Kosam, the capital of Vatsa, is the ancient city of Kaustambi. It was important center of trade. Ujni, in Avanti, Ujni was its capital. The capital of Avanti is Ujni. The city was an important trade also center. The capital of Magda was Rajgir. Also name is Rajgir. Shravasti was the capital of Kosla, and the Gautam Buddha had lived in the famous Vihar Jetvan and Shravasti for the long time. The Kosla king Prasenajit was the contemporary of the Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Later the state of Kosla merged with Magda. Turn into the Magda. State of Kosla turned into the Magda. Then Vatsa, Kosam is the capital. It was important center for trade. Three extremely rich merchants of Kaushambi had built 3 vihars for Gautam Buddha and its followers. King Udayan was the contemporary of Gautam Buddha. After King Udayan, the state of Vatsa could not maintain the independent existence for long. The king of Avanti, Majanpad, conquered state. Then Avanti, Ujni was the Avanti's capital. The city was the important trade. The king of Avanti, Pradyot, was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the reign of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was the merged into the Magda empire. Then last, Magda. The capital of Magda was Rajgriha, means also named as Rajgir. King Bimbisara's palace was built by the architect Mahagovind. Jivaka, the famous physician, was the court of Bimbisara. Bimbisara had become the follower of Gautam Buddha. Some Janpads gradually become stronger and expanded their geographical boundaries. Such Janpads came to the known as Majanpads. From the literature of period, it is clear that up to the 6th century BCE, 16 Majanpads has acquired special importance. Kosla, Vatsa, Avanti and Magda among them become more powerful. Student, write this point 6.2 Majanpads, Kosla, Vatsa, Avanti, Magda. Write in your notebook.